right, so we just got this. It's by whatever that name is, Cordless Neck and Shoulder Massager. This is how it works. You can see, kind of droops over your shoulders. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we got. Oh, take a look at that. All right, let's pull it out. It does not want to come out of its box. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got her. Let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good. The box does come with no charger, but it does come with, it looks like a USB-C. You get a sticker and you get some directions. Let's set that over there. And let's just take a look at the massager itself. It comes with these straps that you put your hands in. You know, you pull it over your shoulders. And I do believe this is the power. You can change the mode. This might be heat, and I'm not sure what that is, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. You gotta press and hold it. Bam, look at that. It's working. Oh, look. There it goes. You see how it does it? So now if I go here and I press this, let's see if it changes. Right now it's doing a different movement. Let's press it again. So it's got two settings there. Let's press this, see what happens. I'm pressing this. I don't know if that makes it hot. What's this? Oh, look at that. It speeds it up. That's speed there. Now it's going slower. Now it's going faster. So it's got like 2 speeds to it, I guess. And I don't know what this is. I think this makes it warm. But we'll have to, oh look, it's green. Let me press that again. Oh, all right, so that's how that works. Now we just gotta try it on our neck. I do believe that this is the port here to charge it. That's where you plug the USB-C in, and then you plug the other side of it into a block. But let's give this thing a try and see what we think. All right, just a side note. I press the heat part, and I can feel it's heating up right here. So yeah, that does work. I don't know if I'd stick my hands in there because it's squishing them. Be careful of that. Wait, let me show you. If you got big hands, I wouldn't put them in there. They might mush them. All right, so let's try this thing. Now you would think you would put it on this way, but I believe I've got to put it on this way. Because I think this has got to be down and this one goes into your neck. So I think it goes like that. So I'm just gonna put it over here like this. And no, that doesn't work that way, does it? So that's not working. So it's gotta go, I think this has to go up. I mean, I think that's the way it's supposed to work. And then this goes on your back like that. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna put it in there. And all right, so then I'm gonna put my hands in these straps. Now I could wrap this around my waist. You see this thing? But I don't think I really need to. So then I'm gonna, and now I gotta turn it on, right? So I gotta press this button and hold it. And then it starts moving. And you gotta kind of drop it down on your back, but look, see how that thing is not getting into anything? That's not moving on anything. That doesn't make any sense. You follow me? Because look, it's not touching. So what if I turned it around like this? And if I put it on there like that, is that gonna get my neck? Yeah, that seems like it works better. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put it like this. And get my hands in here. And then what I gotta do is, I gotta get it so it sets down there like this. I don't know if that ain't working either. I don't get it. It's not like, All right, so here it is, right? So you would think that you would do it like this, with those small ones on top and the big ones on the bottom, right? That doesn't seem to work. So I'm going to try it like this. I'm going to try it like this, right? That seems to work better. You follow me? Now it seems like it's getting everywhere. Let me get my hands in here. There we go. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh my God. Here. I'm not quite sure if that's the way it's supposed to be done. I don't know. Let me try this. Yeah, that's just not working. So I'm thinking that it's supposed to go like this, I would think. So let's try it. Like that. But look, that's not touching anything. It doesn't make any sense. Or is it supposed to like pinch in like that? Oh, there we go. Now I got it. I figured it out. I can actually pull it hard enough to stop it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Now it's getting in there. You guys see? All right, it feels pretty good. It's really squeezing. If I push my head back, I get it in deeper. All right, so to turn it off, you just press it here. Hold it, bam, it turns off. That's how you do it. Now I'm gonna show you how to charge it. Pretty simple. Oh, by the way, it's got a little chart on there that kind of tells you, you know, what you're supposed to do with it. Let me get this thing. So this is your charger. All right, so basically this is just a USB-C. And this end you got to put into a charging block, you know, if you have one. And this end, which is the USB-C end, goes right in there, just like that. Clips right in. See? Pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in, little snap, and then this you can go ahead and put it on a block. I have a block over here on my desk. Let me show you. It's right here. So I can plug it right in there if I want. I gotta pull one of these out. So you see that? But this just goes right in there. And yeah, that's how you do it. So we're plugged in here, right? And then all I gotta do is just shove her on there, just like that. There's our plug. And now I think if I look at on this, where is it? Maybe we'll see. Oh yeah, see? So it shows that it's charging. So I just leave this until I think it turns green or it goes out. But yeah, that's how you do it. And then you just set it somewhere and let it charge. Bam, Bob's your uncle. All right. All right, so anyway, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.